I'm Ashlyn.
And I'm Zach.
And we're traveling A to Z. We got our boarding pass, now we're gonna go find our ferry. So we're getting on a boat to head to Andaman Island. It's about a 2-hour boat ride from Phuket to Marina. You could see our ferry in the distance, which we didn't know was our ferry. Welcome on board direct ferry to Krabi. So we have to walk across these little tiny pathways to get from boat to boat.
It's hot.
This is a pretty nice boat, but that's not the boat we're getting on. We actually had no idea what boat we were riding. We just kept walking till they told us to stop, and it happened to be the last boat. I feel bad for the people with big suitcases though, because you cannot roll them and you have to carry them by hand all the way across the boats. As you walk in, there are seats, and then there's a little snack bar on the bottom. And then you could go outside. They have some bathrooms and a stairway to lead upstairs.
Yeah, this place sucks.
There's an observation deck in the sun, and then there's also a sitting area inside, which is air conditioned. Nice. Are you happy now?
Much happier.
He's happy because there's air conditioning, because all he's doing is complaining the whole trip about how hot and humid it is.
Best part.
We're heading to Andaman Island. So it's supposed to be very pretty and slightly less touristy than Phuket area. So ahead is Riley Island. We are not stopping at Riley Island, but that's what the island is. The rock formations and islands are amazing and really neat to see. Riley Beach. On the other side of the bay from Riley Beach, we come to Andaman Beach, and we're currently going through the channel. 2 hours later from Phuket, we arrived. There's so many cute little Thai boats all in the bay, and they're so colorful and so unusual compared to any boat I've ever seen. We made it.
Yep, we're here.
Next step, swimsuit. Now this is what we pictured all of Phuket to be like. Just water and trees and boats. This is cool. And mopeds. I found all the mopeds. Look at all the mopeds, babe. We saw very few mopeds in Patong. We're basically on a big tut-tut for like 22 people.
We're tut-tutting.
Kind of. We are currently heading to our hotel, and on the right side you can see the beautiful beach and waters in the distance. We just made it to our hotel. We're staying at Krabi Love Snail Resort. This is pretty nice.
Yep. We're drinking stuff. We just got to the hotel. It's tastes like a melted blow pop. It's good. I have no idea what it is.
Kind of tastes like cough syrup.
Everything tastes like cough syrup to you.
But not as bad as cough syrup.
It's good. It's good. So somebody just told me that this tastes like grape juice.
This is a wine.
Yeah, this is not alcoholic wine.
It's supposed to be grape juice. It is purple.
I can't even tell if it's purple.
Yeah, see, look, purple. Semi-purple. The grounds here are pretty nice. It's lush and green, and then as you walk down the path, they have a restaurant to the left and also a workout center. They have a pool to the right side, and you keep going, they have another pool that has a swim-up bar.
checking out our room. We just got to, I don't know the name of the hotel.
Krabi La Playa.
We have elephants on our bed.
Oh, I love the little elephant. How cute is he?
Oh, and we get a full balcony overlooking the fitness room. On our free basket of stuff for the beach. We got towels and butt mats.
Big shower. I went on a group Thai cooking class while Zach lay by the pool. So we made it to the Krabi Thai cookery. And here we are walking into where the kitchen is, and they have tables set up with different vegetables to cut up, and also a cooking station and an eating station. They taught us about the different Thai vegetables and how to prepare them.
This is the galanga. You know galanga?
No.
You know ginger?
Yeah.
Yes. It's the same but different.
Same
It's
but
the
not.
one. Yeah, and then angle.
That's half your
Yum
finger.
yum. That's more tasty.
Here we are, cutting up everything for the meals we're making.
Okay, separate.
Okay, I can.
Separate, don't grip.
This is the wheat paper we're gonna wrap all the filling we made into.
It's already.
I helped make those. We're at the Young Thai Cookery School, making spring rolls.
right.
I probably said that way wrong.
Oh yeah. And this one's extra raw.
Oh, maybe you shouldn't have me film. As I destroy it. My second attempt was a little better. Pretend that didn't happen. Now we're gonna eat it.
The first one, chili and garlic in. You want to do?
Can I bang?
You want to do? Yeah. Okay, bang bang.
Bang, bang.
Bang 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 bang. Boom boom boom.
Let me say whale.
One of the meals we made involves fire. I did not make this one because I wanted to keep my eyebrows. Here are the two dishes I made, and I am very satisfied with them. They look so pretty. So I made a peanut curry, and I don't know what I made.
It smells delicious.
We made a green curry, a red curry, and a pad thai, and then we made pad thai noodles.
Yep. And then we made a
what is this?
flaming one.
The flaming, what's it called? Flaming boom? Flaming Tracken. Flaming Tracken.
Dragon.
Dragon?
Yes.
Flaming Dragon? And then what is, I don't know what this one's called. What is this one called we made? And some chicken thing. I don't know.
Nice, Noah. Spring rolls, everything.
So we're all gonna share and try them all out and see how they are. After being sufficiently stuffed from all the Thai food we made, which surprisingly turned out really good, I met up with Zach to go to the Hilltop Bar for drinks and to watch the sunset. Fun.
We're in Krabi Island.
We're on the top of the mountain at the Hilltop Restaurant,
It says Hilltop, by the way.
and we are enjoying the view and the sunset soon.
All of this is in Thailand.
Of course he's gonna stand behind the peak because it's at perfect height for him. Really?
So jealous because I'm on the hilltop.
The sun is finally starting to set. So we just watched the sunset. It was beautiful, and we're at the Hilltop Restaurant and Bar right now. And it's just a fun little place with grass and a cute little sign and nice sitting areas. Plus they serve food. We're not eating here, but we did have a nice drink. You could have dinner at one of the tables on the grassy area that overlooks the city, which looks really nice. The other side is more of a bar and has lounge chairs where you could just sit and relax. Their drinks are really good and they have specialized drinks. But the drinks are really expensive and they're about $15 per drink. You're mainly paying for the view, which was definitely worth it. We're heading back to our hotel so we could get ready to go to some of the nearby islands tomorrow morning.